Hey everyone, today is Sunday, means Happy Life Day. And today's our topic is right guidance, right action, and right environment. So, friends, let's get started. But before starting, I want to introduce myself. Hey everyone, I'm Aniket Manizore. I'm from Mid Standard, from Sri in the school, and as well as I'm student of 02 English Academy from Gold Batch. And my mission is to become YouTube in my life, and I want to be English content creator in mid 2023. So, friends, let's get started. So, if I talk about right guidance, so really right guidance is important. See, when we take any decision or when we decide a goal, so when we want to become, so for that right guidance is really important because once we have right guidance, so we can take the right actions, and by that help we can get success. Also, I want to give you one example. If we want to go to any place, so suppose that is our success. So right guidance that we have to from here to this platform or this train we have to catch. So this then after a right action, caught the trend, right environment, everyone is with us. Okay. After that we will reach our home. So main is right guidance. Until and unless we don't have right guidance, we will take action. There is no doubt at all. But the result we expect that we are not going to get. So right guidance is really important. The next right action. Right action is really important because if we are not taking the right action, so having the right guidance and right environment, there is no use of that. Because see, now if when we take each action, then only we are going to get result. I want to give you here example. Yesterday there search in the book summary atomic habits. So in that habits formation, four things he told: cue, craving, response, and reward. So cue is like right guidance or our determination. Craving is like our action. Response is like we are having we are towards to our goal, and reward is our success. So until and unless we are not craving, without craving cue, response, and reward, they are having no value. So each of them have so much value. If one is not there, so all the three are useless, or there is no use of that. So same if right guidance, right action, right environment. In both of three, one also is missing. So both of the things are unuseful. We can't use it. Means we can use, but no result. So why to use? Like this happens. So guidance also is really important. And see, right action. Sorry, right action is also really important. But see, if we are not getting idea, or if we are not unable to take, if we are unable to take right action, so we can take imperfect action. Imperfect action convert our action into perfect action. So just you have to try to take imperfect action, and definitely one day we will take perfect action and we will get success. So that is the next. And now next our right environment. Really, right environment is also more really important than both of them. Means both all the 3 points are important. Mostly, if I think so, right guidance is important because see, action is important, right? Action is important, but environment is the thing which make us to take action. I want to give you an example. Let me explain. See, generally, when we don't do when we have choice, we do when we have no choice. So what happens generally? Suppose if we are in our family, and that we wake up late, but all the people they are wake up early in the morning. So 2 3 days we will pick up with our choice, but afterward we will feel sad. We will feel shame on ourselves. We will think everyone is wake up early in the morning. Why should not I? So we will start to wake up. And same if we are wake up early and in our family everyone wake up late. So same we will also get. So what I mean to say here, environment, what can, environment is more powerful than our willpower. And next year also one more example I want to give you. In our class, basic also batch available and gold batch available. Basic course students also want to learn English. Gold batch students also want to learn English. Don't take it negative. I just want to explain. But what is the difference between gold batch and silver batch? Gold batch students, they are action takers, and silver batch they only just doing theory formalities. And once any student who don't want to do any study, anything, any activity, but once he enter in the gold batch, once he observe the environment, and once he enter or involve in the environment, he also start to become no he also start to take action, because at the time only one thing will come in his mind, that small boy can do, big boy can do, college going kids doing, school going kids doing, housewives are doing, why should not I? They will feel shame on them and they will try to take action. And it's not something or different or something it will be regrettative to us, but we will involve in the environment and we will understand, and then we will take action. That is what, so that only I think so environment is really important. Even if I tell you, say my also was there, once I entered in the environment and I decided I have to give best, and then I started to give best. So say my also, with me also had happened, so that is, so do that. So thank you everyone for listening. Bye bye.